Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trading that we had in the GrokStar room this morning on CLF, Cliffs Natural Resources. They reported earnings last night, and kaboom! Look at that! They jumped 8.4% at opening and were continuing up. And what you cannot see here was it was dropping just before opening and was doing a bull pullback here. So I had an order set that if it broke this right here, I was going to be going long. Now, right now, I'm going to tell you what did happen rather than in a nice story about what should have happened as we move forward here. So let's see what happened next. Boom, there it goes. It took off up here over 20, but I got in at $19.82. I am now long CLF. Now let's pull this down and stretch it out a little bit, because what happened was while I was entering a second trade on another one, it flashed all the way down here almost to 1950 and back up. My stop was set for 1972, but I had not sent it to market yet. So I was lucky this time. So this is, again, I got in here based on the bull pullback up here, and now it was doing another bull pullback. So there was another possible entry here. Again, I want to tell you what way it really was, but the bull pullback entry right around here would have been appropriate. Anyway, it went up, and now I am long $19.92, and then did a pullback here to the 20 right here. And it did drop down back to my entry, but this 8 EMA, exponential moving average, is acting as support. I'm still long. Kaboom. Now, several of the members in the room who missed the initial entry or got stopped out on that dip, they did re-enter right about here, again on this bull pullback. Beautiful entry right there. And let's just see how it went there for a while. Little bull pullback there as well, and kaboom, man, I gotta pull this down a little bit here as we're still long, and kaboom, look at that, all the way up to $21.31. And I'm pulling my stop up here just under this 8 EMA each time. Still, that's right about where it is. And I'm pulling it up here again. Now it's high basing here with 2120 as support and 2140 as the resistance. So I'm pulling my stop up there just under this 2110 area here. And bam, this is where it fell down, and it filled me at 2106 for 5.8% in 35 minutes on that first trade. Ooh, doggies, I love it when it works out like that. And again, ideally would have been an entry either here or here, but either way, quite the trade. But let me see what happened after this. Was it was going here, and it was forming what we call a bull pennant. Now, a bull pennant, here's like a flagpole here, and it's a pennant because it's pinching. If you want to know more about that, it's also, you have to look under bull flag and under freeonlinetradingeducation.com in our free chart school. Bull flag is very similar to a bull pennant. Here's a description of it, and here's what it looks like, where you have a run up, and then it's pulling back within a range. While with a bull pennant, it's simply in a pinching pattern as it does that. So if we take a look at this trade, you see how it came up here, and now it's pinching here, pinching, and then it popped above, and I said, oh, whoa, and then look down below here. Look at the volume, it's very low. So I said, not yet, and then it pulled back under there, and then boom, with volume there, see? And so we did get in, but I got in at 2128, we're now long on this break of the bull pennant, pulled up here, and then this 2180 area, it seemed to be resistance. High basing here, so I went ahead and I took out half at 2176 for 2.2%. Pull my stop here under the 20 moving average for the second half, and giving it a little bit of room to play here. And at that 2182 or whatever just seems to be resistance. Pulled down, and that when it broke here, when it broke both the 20 and the 8, I got out at $21.70 on the second half for 2.0%. So the total second trade here on the break of this bull pennant was for 2.1% in 20 minutes. Well, these are some of the trades that we're doing in the GrokStar room. In fact, we had an exceptional day today. We were 6 of 6 called trades for a net of 12.8% for all of our trades. Ooh, doggies, I like it when it turns out like that. You can join us 30 days for free if you like. You just need to go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page right there. And the free chat is up above, and then down below is the place for you to sign up for that 30-day free trial in the GrokStar room. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember, as you are developing your trading system, that Oliver Wendell Holmes said, I wouldn't give a fig for the simplicity on this side of the complex, but I would give my life for the simplicity on the other side of complex. Trade safely and trade well.